Junkyard Junkie back here with another video. In today's video, we'll be working on this 2010 Mazda CX-7. In today's video, I'll be showing you an easier way to change out your expansion valve. All data and pretty much any service manual will tell you have to rip out your entire center console. But with this method, you can easily get it done in about 30 minutes to an hour. So let's jump right into it. Okay, so first and foremost, you have to evacuate your AC system. If you don't have the tools to do it, you need to take it to a shop, let them recover it, and then you can do it yourself and then add your own Freon back into it. But the main thing is you need to evacuate the system. So I'm gonna go ahead and hook up mine and go ahead and do that now. Okay, so just remember, if you don't have the tools to do it, you can go to your local shop, and sometimes they'll even do it for free. But since I have one, I'm gonna use it. We'll be back whenever it gets done. Okay, so now we have it all drained out. Now let me show you what to do next. So what you want to do next is take that little nut off right there on this AC line. There we go. Okay, and finally, you want to just take it out of this bracket, this high pressure line right here. It'll be right by your motor mount. The reason you want to take both these lines loose is so whenever you take off that 10mm inside, you can move them out of your way. Now we can go inside the car. Okay, so first thing you want to do is remove your glove box. So just let that down. Right over here on the side, you'll see that little thing right there. All you have to do is push it away. Okay, so we'll just reach in here and push. There we go. Be careful, you don't want to break it. Slides in and out. This is what makes it come down easy. Okay, so now then, there's two little tabs on both sides that are blocked by that little spot right there. It's over there too, it's just harder to see. What you want to do is you want to grab, pull in, and pull down. So just grab, pull inwards, and it'll release just like that. Now it has two latches right here, and those clip on to right there and right there. So if it don't fall out like it did on me, you just pull it right off. Okay, so next you want to come right down here in this lower part. You need to pull out. There's three tabs. It should be about here, here, and right about there. You're just going to pull it straight out. So just grab on, pull it straight out, and it'll fall down just like that. Okay, so we need to take out this screw and this screw. Okay, now that we got those taken off, we need to disconnect this wire right here. So press in, pull out, just like that. Okay, so now you want to pull down. You want to push those tabs in and be very careful right here so you don't accidentally break anything. But then you want to give it a good tug and it pop out just like that. Okay, so now that you got the lower piece done, you want to come up here. There's one more screw holding it on. Okay, so once you get that out, it's going to droop down. You can just literally pull it right down. So looking at these two pieces, what you want to do is these have these little tabs, and then there's two on this side and three on the other. And then when you get in there, that's where that screw went, right there. So your expansion valve is right back there behind that little cloth right there. You're gonna have to pull it off. It's probably gonna fall apart. Next, to make more room, this black piece right here, it's pretty well connected, but down below, if you pull on it out, it becomes loose. And then we're going to see if we can, yeah, there we go. Now we'll take a look at that. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside of your car. It just goes right up in there. That thing that holds it on the back is right there. It's a little Christmas tree. So if you can get behind it and pop it out this way, you're good to go. Or if you just jerk it like I told you to do, it'll come out. And then that part just wiggles right out. Okay, so there is our expansion valve. Let me go underneath, show you a better look. There you go, right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and order my part. And remember, before doing any of this, recover any AC refrigerant you have in the vehicle, or else it's going to go everywhere. So this is what it looks like. That middle one is going to be the 10mm, and then these two are going to be 4mm Allens. So you have to have a Allen wrench to do it, or a Allen socket. But you take those two out and it will come right out. Be careful. If it is blocked up in there, it may spill out. It did on me. So that's just a side note. Okay, so at this point, I like to draw down a vacuum, let it sit for, about 30 minutes, make sure it doesn't lose pressure. That way you know it's good and sealed. After that, you just want to fill it back up and you're good to go. If you need a video showing you how to refill it with these kinds of gauges, you just let me know. But that should be all there is to it. After this, you just put everything back like it was and you're good to go. I'm not going to film all that. It's at the end of the day and I just want to get this done. But I hope this was able to help you. But other than that, that's going to do it for this video. So if you found this video helpful, please leave me a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.